It's very common to observe the bubbles when we wash clothes. We have also played games of creating bubbles in our childhood. We find it very interesting, but very few of us have imagined or created the bubbles inside a bubble. Today, let's try to make the bubbles inside a bubble with a simple experiment. We require a dishwash, a straw, a cup of water, a bowl, and some sugar. Let's first dissolve some sugar in the water. Then we put dish soap in sugar water mixture. Now we stir the mixture properly to dissolve the soap in the mixture thoroughly. Let's coat the table with soapy water. Let's try to blow a bubble on the part of the table coated with soapy water. Now, put the straw inside the bubble and then try to blow another bubble. We can repeat the same process to blow more bubbles inside. We can see now 3 bubbles created one inside the another. So friends, what can we understand from this experiment? We understand that soap molecules decrease the force of attraction between hydrogen and oxygen molecules of water. Soap and sugar solution also slows evaporation of water molecules so bubbles can last longer. The minimum amount of surface area also helps in enclosing the volume of air trapped inside. Thank you for watching this video.